Judge, good morning to everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Let's get going.
Here.
Are we ready, Mr. Williams Law?
I'm
Yes,
on the
sir.
Zoom call.
This is the city of Detroit versus Stephen Manuel Gutierrez, case number U67845-823. Appearance, state your name for the record, please. Mr. Gutierrez, state your name for the record, please.
Unmute your
All right,
device.
Stephen
Mr.
Gutierrez.
Gutierrez, today is the date and time set for review. Do you have I see you paid the money. What about the documents that you're supposed to provide proof of misdemeanor morality and HIV/STD testing? Results will be private to you. What about those documents?
The person that was running the MMP class said he was going to email it to my probation officer, and then I have the results of the test. I lost my probation officer's email address. I tried calling, but every time I would call, I'd be put on hold for too long, and I'm at work all day long. But I do have the documentation. I unfortunately wasn't able to provide it directly to her, but the MMP was sent to the probation officer. So I did do it.
Who's the probation officer?
Tracy Bryson.
Can we get that probation officer and to provide those documents? And we'll probably have you to send those documents to her so I can put them in your file. Let me pass the matter and let's get those documents and we'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can, all right?
Okay, can you provide me with an email address?
Yes, just give me a minute. Oh, you can send it to my email address.
I can do that as well.
My email address in the chat. All right, there it is. I'll pass the matter until we hear from your probation officer. All right, let's move on to, is that Robert Love Jr.? Robert Love Jr. Okay, you have to unmute yourself. Tony is on Tony Davis' device.
Hello.
Good morning to you. Mr. Love Jr., is that you?
Yes.
The city of Detroit versus Robert Love Jr., case number V500611823. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Love.
Robert Love Jr.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Love Jr., do you have the proper documentation for this establishment?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's see what you have. Mr. Hill here, he's in the breakout room. Let's see what you have.
1 second, please.
Can you hold it up?
Yes.
Are you emailing it to me as well?
No, I was trying to send it to you. I turned in all my paperwork and I It's in review. Those are my license.
Hold it up. And, LNL, set 19, and let's slide it over to your right, please. And expires, push it in, a little bit more. It seems like that is already expired.
No, it haven't yet.
Wrong one. We are up to date on that.
Hold on, I can't, well, first of all, I have to talk to Mr. Love.
I'm
All right,
sorry.
that is,
I
that
grabbed the
seems
wrong
like,
one, Your Honor.
all right, do you have another one?
Yes, I do. I would have to go and get it. It would take a few minutes for me and go and grab it. I took this out of my trailer, but I grabbed the wrong one.
All right, well, go get it. We'll pass the matter, all right? And if you can
Yes, sir.
email it to me so I can put in the file, we'll pass
Okay.
it. till we
Okay,
get
yes,
it.
I would. Put you hold on one. Okay, I'm ready.
You have it?
I'm ready.
All right, let's see it.
No, I need the email address. I'm going to send it to you.
Okay, if you can, all right. The email address is in the chat. But if you can hold it up, I can go ahead and dismiss the case now, and I can wait till you get the email sent to me.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go grab it then. It's going to take me about 10 minutes.
Oh my goodness, I don't know what you're doing. If you said you had it and you're gonna email it to me, it
I
must
was
be
going to
right
go and
there.
grab it.
Okay then, go grab it and come on back. I'll pass the matter. Almost making me feel like you don't have it. All right, let's go ahead, pass that matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Laura Ashley Gaines, case number SP 1516456, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Ask you to unmute yourself, Ms. Gaines, and turn your camera on, please. Laura Ashley Gaines. I guess it's gonna be one of those days. Pass that matter. All right. Officer Bryson, probation
Yes.
officer Bryson, are you here? Good morning to you. Are you here for Gutierrez?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez. Miss Officer Bryson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, it's Officer Tracy Bryson on behalf of probation.
All right, good morning to you. What kind of documents do you have for Mr. Gutierrez?
Your Honor, I have a proof that he completed the misdemeanor reality program.
And what about the says he has a copy of the of his testing. Can you get a copy of that? And we'll get a copy of that, and then we will put that in his file.
Yes, that's the only thing I need is a copy of that he completed the testing. I didn't have that, but everything else he completed.
All right, Mr. Gutierrez, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, and I did email it to you just a
Okay.
moment ago.
Okay.
All right, okay. That's the morality class. We have that. I'll put that in your file. What about the testing?
The testing, I sent the one just before that. It should have went through. If not, I can resend it and or send it to probation
Okay,
officer.
I have it. I think I have it. All right, I'm satisfied. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the matter out under disorderly conduct. If it's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good day, all right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Madam Bryson.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You as well. Finally got one.
Am I free to go, Your Honor?
Oh, you're free to leave. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go down to Scotty Gibson. No, fine. Scotty is a high. Is Miss Gaines here?
Hello?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Laura Ashley Gaines. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gaines, please state your name for the record.
My name is Laura Gaines.
Ms. Gaines, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Do you have a valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I already sent you a copy of my insurance last time I was in front of you, and I just emailed you a copy of my registration.
Okay. All right. What email address did you send that to?
Um,
I mean, from. I got Laura Gaines here.
yes, yep, with the date.
14, it just came through. Let's see the insurance. And then you sent that from the same email address?
Yes, I did. I sent it to you on the 21st of December.
I'm sure you did. I just want to put it in your file.
Okay.
Now, what's going on with this defective equipment?
I still need some more time to get that fixed.
What's going on with Mr. Hill? Ms. Gaines has showed me valid documentation for insurance and registration, and she has a defective equipment. I don't know what's going on with that. What do you want to do with that, Mr. Hill?
So if she wants to take the opportunity to fix the equipment and verify that, because she's got the other documents that are fine, we would dismiss. Otherwise, if she wanted to take, a resolution today for a civil infraction that was not the defective, we could resolve it that way.
All right, so $120 to resolve it today, or he's giving you an opportunity to spend that $120 to get whichever is fixed on the vehicle. What would you like to do?
I'm working on getting it fixed as we speak.
All right, so how much time do you need, ma'am?
At least 30 more days.
I'm gonna dismiss these for providing valid documentation, and then the SP 1516453. I'm gonna give you extra time to get that fixed. All right.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Let's go with March 8th, 2024. Bring me proof that that's fixed, and we will dismiss the case. All right.
Okay. What is considered valid proof?
Well, whatever's wrong with it, we need to see it. I don't think so. Based on insurance, I'm dealing with this time crack along the length of a new windshield, and then on this 2014 Chrysler.
Okay.
right?
So I can
Well-
email you a receipt.
Yeah, receipt, or take a picture of it or go outside and show us that the car is fixed, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, you as well.
All right. Did the officer appear on Lutfi? Let's see. Minutes.
Your Honor, that's a state case, but it does appear we have Officer Tompkins here, or that may be an attorney.
This is a state case. Tompkins is the lawyer. Yeah, and I would surmise that he's going to come in. He usually shows up. He didn't show up last time. All right, that's all right. Mr. Love, are you ready now?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Robert Love Jr. Let's see what you have, please. And I'm looking for an expiration date. So maybe you slide into your.
Yes.
All right, very well. Let me ask you this. How is the barbecue?
Very good.
All right, well, we're gonna see about that, all right? I'll see you soon.
All right, thanks.
I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. I still would like you to email me that.
Email you this copy of this.
Yeah, so I can put it in your file, all right?
All right, thanks.
All right,
Could I have the email address?
It's in the chat. I'll put it in the chat again. All right, I'll put it in the chat again, all right?
All right, thanks, Your Honor.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Is Scotty Gibson here?
Yes,
All right, good morning to you.
same to you.
Detroit versus Scotty Terrell Gibson, case number SP 115245151, 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Scotty Gibson.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gibson, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, I got everything, but I had caught some tickets.
Run this driver's license.
Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you. Go ahead. You said you have everything but, wait a minute. You said you had everything but. Do you have valid driver's license, registration, and insurance?
They just said my license was suspended, and I was trying to figure out how.
Okay, so you don't have everything.
I was trying to say that I had paid my tickets off, so I didn't know. I never knew my license was suspended, so I was wondering, well, how did they get suspended? I had just paid my tickets already, because I had caught some tickets when I was riding a slingshot, and I went to the kiosk machine, paid the tickets off. I didn't know I had no suspended license, and when they pulled me over, that's how I found out.
Okay, you just offering me an explanation why you don't have a license then, right? Because all I asked was I said, do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance? You said I have everything. And then you went on to say, but, and now you're telling me you don't have a valid license. Your license is valid, sir. Let's see some registration and insurance. So you don't even know whether you got a valid license or not. Your license is valid. Let's see some registration and insurance, please.
Here go the registration right here.
All right, let me see. Hold up. I'll hold it up. What happened there?
Do I have to flip it over?
No, you just have to stay on that spotlight. It stops.
11/29/24 expires, Your Honor.
All right, and that's on a 2020. Slide it over to your left a little bit, please.
2014 Chevrolet.
Very well. Okay, what about it? What about insurance?
Can you see it?
Yep. Slide it over to your left, please. Just keep going to your left. Keep going. All right, I'm satisfied. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation, all right?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yeah, you said my license is good because they said it was suspended when I had got pulled over.
Right now, your license is valid, sir.
Oh, then why did he give me a ticket?
Terrell Gibson. Huh?
Yeah. I say why did he say they were suspended then?
You know something? How am I supposed to know?
Oh, I mean, I don't know. I was just asking.
I wasn't there. I mean, it could have been suspended and you could have paid the thing and it got valid. You want me to dig into that to see if your license was actually suspended at the time and then come back and see, give you a different deal? Or you want to take the dismissal and go about your way?
I'll take the dismissal.
All right, the license is valid right now.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too, sir.
All right. City of Detroit, strike that. State of Michigan versus James John Lefty. Case number SX4305751, counts 1 and counts 2, and B103652224. Appearance for the record, please.
Seth Tompkins appearing on behalf of the defendant, James Lutfi. And with me, Your Honor, is Mr. Lutfi. Mr. Lutfi, can you please introduce yourself to the court for the record, please? Just say your name.
I'm James Lutfi.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing on these state matters on this is the City of Detroit versus James John Lutfi on B103652224. As it relates to the state matters for formal hearing, Counselor, is there an office, a trooper? I always get his name pronounced wrong.
His name is, Your Honor, if you give me a minute, I'll pull it up.
Bach Kujat.
Yeah, I couldn't pronounce it either, Your Honor.
Dockaja. He usually is here all the time, but he's not today. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. That officer was ordered to be here on at 8:30, if I'm correct. And it is now, I'll give him a half-hour grace period. It is now 9:02. Do you want to make a motion on that, Counselor?
I would, Your Honor. I'd like to have this matter dismissed without prejudice for failure of a witness to appear. On behalf of the state.
No officer. Let's deal with the V103652224 case. That's set for arraignment on February 22nd. You want to go?
Yeah, that's a different matter, Your Honor. I haven't made an appearance on that. I just found out about that one today. And it's my understanding that I'd like, if you want, I could we can enter a plea of not guilty and we get a pretrial date. I just found out about that when I looked at the Register of Actions. But it's my understanding that within the next day or so, he's going to be in compliance. So we expect that to show that to the city and have a dismissal when we show up to the pretrial. But yeah, I'd be happy to.
Get in or not guilty on your client's behalf. You're going to be representing him on this as well?
Yes, I will represent him on this one also, Your Honor.
In or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. When do you want to come back?
When do you think the problem is going to be fixed to get it all cleared? Like a week or two?
Yeah, 2 weeks at the outset.
Your Honor, maybe the last week of the month.
Well, why don't you just come back on pre-trial on 3/8/2024 at 8:30.
That sounds good. I have another pretrial that day. But I'll just bounce around between courtrooms and that's fine. So 8:30, sir?
8:30.
Also, just for the court, I did email you, sir, the proof of
I have
insurance.
that.
Wonderful. I appreciate you. I will see you on the 8th at 8:30, and I hope you have a lovely day.
You have a better one than you as well, Mr. Lucky.
Thank you. Take care, guy.
Okay. Robin Gibson. Let's put these officers in the breakout rooms with, I think Mr. Good morning, Corporal McCree. Mr. Phil already did. Robin Gibson, good morning to you, ma'am. You have to press *6 to unmute yourself.
Good morning.
You have a way that you can sign on. We can see who we're talking to.
This is Robin Gibson. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I would like to see you.
Oh. Yeah, I don't have the Zoom app on my phone.
You're gonna have to get it on your phone at some point now. I need to see who Robin Gibson is. What do you want to do with all these tickets, counselor, for Ms. Gibson? Let's call the case. It's the City of Detroit versus Robin Renee Gibson, case number SP 105-5898, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 105-59642, and count 1, that. SP 137-544, wait a minute. SP 137-54471, SP 137-5448, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1422036, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1422031, SP 1440950, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1440951, SP 7760081, SP 9578521. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibson.
Robin Gibson, Robin Renee Gibson.
There's a time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gibson, you've been here before, obviously, I think. Let me see. Had an opportunity, if I'm giving you an opportunity to rectify some of this stuff. I don't see that. Yeah, I have. All right, so allowed you to pay your reinstatement fees up front. You have not done so, so we'll move on. If you want to set a trial date, you can set a trial date. If you want to get an offer on these matters, we can get you an offer. I'm going to let you speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room, and you can help you navigate this.
Okay.
Join the room, Mr. Berry, please. pass the matter. Michelle Lockhart.
Yes, I'm here.
Morning to you, man.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michelle Lockhart, case number SP 149-43041. Name for the record, Ms. Lockhart.
Michelle Lockhart.
All right, today is the day and time set for review. I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. For paying your obligation, okay?
Yes.
That was it. That's it. You don't have any further questions, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day, all right?
All right, thank you. You as well.
Alexandra Lee Lara. Larry.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, you have to pay. Good morning to you.
I know, I wanted to speak to you. Or can I speak to a court-appointed attorney right now or no?
City of Detroit versus Alexandra Lee Larry, case number SP 135-39971. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Alexandra Lee Larry.
All right, what's going on? Why haven't you paid?
So when you were reading, after I pled guilty, you were reading it and you said, do you remember the day you were on Grand River? So when I appeared in court, I thought it was a ticket that I got with the same ticket at a different time. The tickets that I was issued for this were actually when my boyfriend was driving my car. They were sent to me in the mail. I've never even met the officer. And I was wondering, my boyfriend got to drive away in my car, but I got the tickets.
Okay, that happens a lot.
Okay.
You pled guilty to it. It says TO no
I know.
longer issued to boyfriend Ryan, license revoked. And I imagine that when I took the deal from you, you understood that you gave your boyfriend the car and that you knew your boyfriend didn't have a license. That would have been part of the plea at that time.
That's true.
Is all of that true? Was that true? Did we go through that?
We did not. Well, no one told me that this was the case where the tickets were sent in the mail because I thought this was a different case where I had gotten the same ticket from him. So he didn't have to, he just paid his tickets and he didn't have to go to court and everything. I don't know. I was just wanted to talk to you about that. I know I already entered a guilty plea, so I'd have to probably apply for a reversal.
I'll let you speak with a lawyer about it. It sounds like you want to try to back out of the plea, but if the record reflects, and if we have to, we'll pull the transcript. If the record reflects that you admitted to allowing your boyfriend to drive the car, somebody put their appearance on the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant.
All right, speak to Ms. Larry in the breakout room, and I don't know if there's any grounds, but if we have to go through the plea. It's $240 fine, vote out of dismiss upon payment. Let's pass the matter and let you have an opportunity to speak with her.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Is Shirley Oliver is here, right?
Yes.
Here.
Yes, I'm here.
tough for me to say that name, man.
I hear you.
I said it's tough for me to say that name.
Oh, I already know. You already told me.
All right, City of Detroit versus Shirley Oliver. Case numbers SB 143703. Well, you know something, we're calling these cases, and I thought it was just set for review, but it is set for, you got some more tickets as well.
Yeah. So
All right, let's just wait now. I'll let you speak to Mr. Berry in a minute. All right, Mr. Berry, are we ready for Ms. Gibson?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Robin Renee Gibson. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak with your client in the breakout room. What does your client want to do?
We ask for a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gibson?
Yes, sir.
Trial date is going to be June the 6th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right? You still have the opportunity of paying those things that we discussed last time. You could potentially get yourself a driver's license. Hopefully you can do that, but trial date is going to be June 6th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, may I ask what that amount was again, Your Honor?
Oh, those amounts are, you have three $45 reinstatement fees that you can pay up front. Then you have, I see one $258 no insurance civil infraction that you need to pay. So 258, it looks like 258 plus 45, 45, and 45. So anything with no insurance civil infraction, you're gonna have to deal with before you get a license. So 258 and $345 fees. It looks like that's will get you clear here. All right.
Okay, thanks so much for your time.
Yeah, have a very good day, man. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Bye.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Charles Conrad Greer. Case number, is he here? No. All right, don't worry about it. All right, let's call the City of Detroit. What about Mr. DeMarco Livingston? Let's call the City of Detroit versus Shirley Patrice Emma Oliver. Case number SP 1437036, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1504898 SP 1504953 SP 1533959, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Oliver.
Shirley Patrice Emma Oliver.
Okay, on SP 361, we're going to close that out. That's paid. SP, yeah, you almost got the SP 1437036 to pay, and you need to pay count 3, and you need to pay SP 1504951. When are those going to be paid?
I just need about 2 or 2.5 more weeks. I'm just waiting on my taxes to come back now.
Uh-oh. I don't like to use anybody else's material, but I will say former 36th District Court Judge Mathis, he always puts up that red flag when he hears the taxes.
You know,
So,
it's so terrible.
I don't know if I have to do the same thing, but that's what he does.
No, you know, it's been so terrible for me right now, you know, since my sister, I got my own 4 children plus her 3. And
okay, so I see you're making a very good effort here. You've gotten you're not like somebody that just hasn't come in and done anything. So we will extend you and afford you that other opportunity. Now let's deal with the other cases.
I had came in a week ago, and they told me to come back on 3/28 and just bring the insurance and registrations, and I'm
You
gonna
have
try
a
to have,
valid license?
yeah, I'm gonna try to have everything by then.
Do you have a valid license now?
No, I'm working on it.
All right, so that's not gonna work either. So it's, as for purposes of, so yes. All right, so let's do this. Pre-trial, let's set all of it, review for 3/28/2024.
Okay.
And let's set pre-trial date for the other matters. We'll keep those the same. So we'll have a review on the same date as the pre-trial / pre-trial 3/28/2024 at 8:30. Right?
Okay, and then one quick question. Could you give me the amount of what's left so I kind of know what I'm looking at?
Well, it says here 735.
Okay, all right.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Mr.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, you called DeMarco Livingston.
I did. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I guess we've had history, haven't we?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Larry. Let's Larry, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel and break out on counsel. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I believe we need the transcript, please and thank you. Because there are some concerns that Ms. Larry has, and I think the transcript would help.
It sounds like to me buyer's remorse, but we'll get the transcript. Williams Law.
Your Honor, does she want to contact me to order the transcript, or are you asking me to listen to the?
Well, yeah, I guess that would be something that would have to be paid for, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so how do we do that? Is there a form that Miss Larry could fill out?
Yes, she needs to contact trial services to order the to let them know that she would like to order a transcript. And then they would send me the order. That's the proper way.
Okay, all right, so the plea was taken. The plea was taken on January the 8th, 2024. You need to be writing this down, Ms. Larry. January the 8th, 2024. You have to order the transcript through trial services. And then you'll be able to review the transcript.
What's going on out there?
And that should tell you everything, what it entered into and what agreement you entered into. I see your hand is raised, Ms. Harris.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm wondering if she can be appointed counsel, because if she was represented by House counsel, there may be a presumption of indigency. And it sounds like this might be an appeal in a manner of speaking or trying a motion to set aside a plea. She would likely need the assistance of counsel, and that might help her in terms of getting the transcript. So I would ask if the court would consider appointing an attorney.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Larry? You can't just shake your head. You have to audibly answer the question, please.
Yes.
All right. What is your number? Phone number.
My phone. 313-913-9242.
All right. I'm gonna set another review date for, let's just set it for 2 weeks from now. That attorney should at least have reached out to you 2024. By that time, you need to answer the calls that you don't know, recognize, because I'm sure that call will be that attorney, hopefully. So come back in February 22nd. That'll give you a chance to get acquainted with the lawyer and let the lawyer know what's going on, and that lawyer can come back and let us know that you have both have made contact with each other, and then we'll go from there. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
If nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right, let's move on to DeMarco Livingston. City of Detroit versus DeMarco Christopher Livingston, case number SP 1420993, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1421809, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Livingston.
DeMarco Christopher Livingston.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Livingston, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Let's run his driver's license, please. What about the insurance? Let's see what you have as far as insurance and registration, Mr. Livingston.
Here you go, sir.
Go a little closer. Raise it up. Is that 824? Slide it over to your left. And keep going and raise it up a little bit. Raise it up a little more, 2021. Okay, I'm satisfied with the insurance. Let's see the registration. Okay, very well. Are you still at, what address are you at?
5162 Cooper Street, Detroit, Michigan.
5162 Cooper Street, Detroit. What's the zip code over there?
48213.
All right, I'm going to change that from this Oak Park address. All right.
Yes, sir.
License is valid as well. You want to pay $175 for amended count of blocking traffic for this prohibited left turn. We'll close this stuff out.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have an absolute right to a trial. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. That is a 0-point offense that will not abstract to the Secretary of State. And we'll close this other matters out, but you're still going to owe 180 and 210 on these old tickets that you didn't pay as well. That's going to be between you and the 36th District Court, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, I can put a pay date in there if you want me to, but what about, I'm concerned with this blocking traffic 175. When can you pay this?
I can pay that by this Friday.
All right, I'm gonna put in there just 7 days just to make sure it goes through pay by 2/8.
Okay.
I mean, straight to 2/15. Pay it at any div kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that div app on your phone. Mr. Livingston, congratulations on getting that license and that documentation. And you'll also see when you go to the div kiosk or come down, you'll also see those other fees that were outstanding for a long time ago. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, all right?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Same to you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Roberto Fur. Roberto Fur.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. Can you take your hat off, sir, please?
I'm sorry, not speak English. It's Spanish.
All right, let's get a Spanish interpreter.
Yeah, one moment, my ticket. The number ticket P1518513.
Roberto Carlo Montes.
Yes, sir. Correct.
They tell him, come on. Is he on the phone? What's his name?
58645.
Okay.
Levinson.
Can I go back?
Yeah.
They bordering it up. They bordering it up.
Miss Harris, can you let him know my Spanish is not that good? I think yours is better than mine. Wagner is this judge of record. He has a show cause. Okay. Today, yesterday he was supposed to be here.
I was supposed to interpret all that.
No.
I was gonna say I don't know it that well.
I think you could do it.
I think she could too. It says Wagner's the judge of record, but it's got me down here. He can come back Wednesday. You did? All right, sit tight. We'll request an interpreter. All right. What's the guy?
Levinson with the E.
Levinson.
I'm gonna do 1 second.
Willie.
Yeah. And Your Honor, I just looked at notes for the date of January 8th, Miss Larry. I was out on that day with ill. So I wouldn't have.
Yeah, she's gonna have to find out.
Yeah.
All right. Let's call the city of Detroit. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Levinson. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Willie Livingston, case number U66341023. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Livingston, please state your name for the record.
Yes. Yeah.
State your name. Good morning, Mr. Levinson. State your name, please.
Willie Livingston.
Today is the date and time set for, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial Mr. Livingston, your offer is gonna be, first of all, pleading to the amended count of disorderly conduct. That'll be a $240 fine. It doesn't, and then you'll have to take an HIV STD testing and a misdemeanor morality class. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, and you can have a private conversation with her, okay?
Yeah.
Join the room, Ms. Harris. He's in there. He's on the phone. Willie Livingston. All right, on the DI, they're not connected to audio, so we can't talk to them. On the Shirley Oliver, we've already taken care of her. Galloway, Sharice Galloway.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
You missed your court date. You have warrants out. And if I'm gonna just say this, if I go down that road of trial again, like you wanted to, this again, then I'm gonna put a money bond on you.
Understand.
They're gonna lock you up. You want another trial date?
Yes, please.
So they didn't appoint Livingston an attorney, did they? Let's go with the city of Detroit versus Sharice Galloway. Case numbers SP 106-5179, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 106-5215, counts 1, 2, and 3. $14 4033471, $15 44285 counts 1 and counts 2. $17 389 counts 1 and 2. $17 3919 151. $18 5145671 204 008761. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Galloway.
Sharice Galloway.
Your Honor, for purpose.
Bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, enter not guilty plea on Ms. Galloway's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. You already know that if we miss next time, Ms. Galloway, we're gonna put a money bond on you, all right?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. Have a very good day, ma'am. Your court date, your trial date is gonna be June the 6th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
At 9 a.m. Okay, thank you.
Very good day. Best of luck to you.
Your Honor, just a question regarding Mr. Livingston's matter. He indicated that he spoke with an attorney and that attorney possibly called him yesterday.
Yeah, and I see that we had an attorney appointed to him, so I figured that question was gonna come up. I don't know who that attorney is. Let's see. let's get this attorney on the line. For Levins. I'll put it up. Good morning to you. All right,
Do you want me
let's
to
call.
bring him out of the?
No, you can, we'll leave him in there.
Okay.
Excuse me, City of Detroit versus Larisha Marie Gilbert, case number SP 1185420, count 1, 2, and 3, SP 1389664, SP 152121, 3, counts 2 and counts 3, 207-12319, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here, Larisha Gilbert.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gilbert.
Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You're not guilty between your client. You give your client a $0 bond. So she's got okay, so first of all, we're gonna have to set a trial date for this because the city is not gonna want to offer anything on this false insurance ticket. The officer. So that just gets us to June the 6th, 2024 at 9 a.m. We'll get some resolution on that date. You understand that, Ms. Gilbert?
Yeah, I understand, but I don't remember giving him false information. So
I got, that's fine. That'll be hashed out. Huh?
Go ahead.
Hello? That'll be hashed out on the date, all right? You'll be able to speak with the lawyer about it, all right?
Okay.
So the city doesn't want to offer anything until they speak to that officer. So we'll get some resolution on June the 6th, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, officer, I needed to get a traffic clearance, and it's still saying that I'm going to court for stuff every time I go get a traffic clearance. So it's like I'm going to have to wait till June to get my traffic clearance without the court.
Well,
the date
what you had was these tickets were in warrant status. Now they're going to be out of warrant status now. So basically, that you could potentially get something. Well, let's make sure. I don't think it's any defaults either because all of them were misdemeanors. Yeah, you should be able to potentially, maybe that false insurance might be holding you up without, there's no reinstatement fee on that. Yeah, it's probably because they're in warrant status. So wait 48 to 72 hours now to see if you can get a driver's license from this point after the day, okay?
No, I do have my license. I'm trying to get my my cabaret card. So they basically saying that since I'm still going to court for tickets, I can't get a full traffic clearance.
All right, well, now they're out of warrant status. Their allegations, try to get one in 48 to 72 hours from now, or I don't think you have to wait 48 to 72 hours because they'll be able to run your lien and see that you don't have any warrants outstanding. So try it that way.
Okay, that's fine. Okay,
right.
I'll do that. So what about the other tickets?
All of them are going to be on June the 6th. Everything is going to be on June the 6th. We'll get resolution on that date. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
All right, you too.
Yeah. All right. Little John. Terry Littlejohn.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
All right. he had trial. Officers are, some of them are here, I've seen. Let's get you an offer, and then we'll get you an opportunity to speak with an attorney.
There is an offer, Your Honor.
It is an offer. Let's call the city of Detroit. And who are the officers that are here? Holmes, he's usually here, not here now. Can you get your officers out for Little John, Mr. Hill? This is the city of Detroit versus Terry Littlejohn II, case number SP 978590, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1285953, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SX State of Michigan versus Terry Littlejohn, SX 36254581. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Littlejohn. Please state your name for the record.
Terry Littlejohn II.
And all I see is one officer for Littlejohn. That would be Peacock. I saw Peacock, and I don't see Peacock now.
Your Honor, Officer Peacock needed to go to another court. I do have her number, so she can return should we need to go to trial on those 3 charges. However, an offer has been recently relayed to House Counsel. We may be able to resolve it that way.
All right. Can you put your appearance on the record, Mr. Hill?
Yeah, Alex Hill, P76961 on behalf of the city. And the offer is, he's got 2 charges, no registration, no insurance. The offer would be to amend the no insurance to improper plates if he does not have valid documents. If he does have valid documents, then we would amend the defective equipment civil infraction to either a blockading or a double parking, if depending on discretion of Your Honor.
Okay. You have that. Ms. Harris, go talk to Mr. Littlejohn and see what he needs.
Okay.
And see if we can work this out. Officer Peacock show, right?
Yeah, I spoke to her, Your Honor. So she's ready and willing if we need to go that route, but she was amenable to a plea.
All right, let's pass the matter. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Littlejohn, and speak to Ms. Harris.
And Cox is on suspension. Did we have an interpreter coming from Mr. Foyer or?
Yes, they're here now. Good morning, counselor. Let me put you in the breakout room with your client.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Madam Cox, good morning to you. Madam Cox, are you there?
She's muted.
Okay. Okay, I'm here. I wouldn't let me unmute, but I'm here.
Good morning to you. I like to send that note, that prompt usually helps people. Good to see you, Madam Cox. Can you state your name for the record and put your qualifications on the record, please?
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do. I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Roberto Carlo Montez. Case number SP 1518513, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I did not get any information about the name of the defendant. This is the interpreter or the number, but is it Roberto?
Carlo Montes, Montes.
And what is the case number, please?
SP 1518513, counts 1 and counts 2.
Ok, señor Roberto Montes, llamaron a su caso, llamaron a su caso SP 151851312. Yo soy la intérprete y ya estoy juramentada.
Ok, ¿cómo está?
Fine, how are you?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
El señor abogado Berry representando al señor Roberto Ferrer Montes.
Montes es mi apellido.
Montes.
Muy bien, ¿cómo está?
Bien, juez, que tenga un excelente día. Ya he visto que tiene mucho trabajo y bueno, aquí esperando.
I'm doing very
Primera
well.
vez que estoy aquí.
And this is the first time I've ever been here.
Are you in the state of Michigan, sir?
Está en el estado de Michigan, señor.
Sí, primera vez adaptándome, ya que era oriundo de Austin, Texas. Tengo
So
apenas
first time, I have been here only 3 months, so I'm getting used to it. I am from Texas, Austin.
Are you, do you plan on remaining in Michigan?
Pero vive aquí en Michigan.
Sí, ya soy nuevo residenciado aquí, correcto. Vivo
Yes,
en-
I do live now. I'm a new resident of Michigan.
Okay, I need to get an updated address for you. I have the Austin address.
Yo tengo la dirección de Austin. ¿Me puede dar su dirección nueva de aquí?
Ok, 15244 Paris Street.
So the address is 15244 Paris, like the city, Paris Street. ¿En qué ciudad?
Allen Park.
Allen Park. ¿Sabe el código postal?
48101.
48101.
That's Paris, Paris.
París, como la ciudad en Francia,
Sí,
París.
correcto,
Yes,
correcto.
Paris as the city in France, yes. Paris.
All right, I'm gonna put that in the system. Let's call the day, the date and time set for a show cause, counselor.
Hoy es la fecha para que se demuestren los hechos.
Your Honor, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su honoría, mi cliente renuncia a que se lean los cargos en voz alta y se queda en silencio.
Right, I enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. It appears your client comes to me because he got his ticket out of the 4th precinct. Why don't you talk to your client, see if he wants to join the community court out of the 4th precinct?
Yo estamos aquí porque yo creo que este señor viene aquí de lo que se llama el 4º precinto. Entonces yo quiero que usted hable, señor abogado, para ver si él quiere que lo pongan en un programa donde usted puede pagar, no tiene que pagar multas, pero puede participar en un programa de servicio a la comunidad. Nos están mandando a un cuarto privado. Por favor, oprima join. Your Honor, I did get the joint breakout room. Would you like Mr. Montes to also join? Here we go. Okay, I'm on my way.
May I know the charges, Your Honor?
Reckless driving and failure to use due care, caution, civil infraction.
Thank you.
Counselor, let me get the correct pronunciation. Is that Pernicano? Pernicano?
Yes, Judge, that's Pernicano, correct.
Pernicano, all right. Are we ready on Mr. Willie Livingston?
Yes, that's going to be an adjournment so that I can obtain discovery.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. I have it here. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Willie Livingston. Mr. Livingston, I have your attorney here. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor, please?
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Willie Livingston.
All right. You have an opportunity, Mr. Livingston, to speak with your counsel, correct?
Yes.
And do you understand what's going on at this point, sir?
No.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to go back in there and talk to him, Mr. Pernicano.
I spoke with Mr. Livingston by phone yesterday and upon my appointment, and again today. I will go back in the breakout room with Mr. Livingston again, but that's where we stand right now, Your Honor. I will go back in there though.
I just have to make sure he understands what's going on. That's the most important part, one of the most important parts of what we do. All right.
My concern is that's fine. I'll go back in the breakout.
Let me ask you this, Mr. Livingston, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear.
Yes, tell me, come on, hang up the phone before he comes in. All right, stand up by, good morning to you. Stand up by the file cabinet there, please, Mr. Livingston. That's where the speaker is right now. All right, Mr. Livingston, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, do you talk to your attorney, Mr. Pernicano, right?
I talked to him yesterday.
You just got through talking to him in the breakout room, did you not?
No.
Yes, we just.
I did? I ain't talking to attorney today.
Well, you gotta get a better understanding of what's going on.
I talked to him yesterday. He called me yesterday and said he would be here today.
He's here.
I haven't talked to him.
I just got finished putting you in the breakout room with him. You were in the breakout room. You talked to two attorneys today. One young lady and one.
Oh, I gotta go over the phone. Oh.
Over the phone.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yeah, I talked to.
You gotta say, you have to answer yes or no. Did
you? Yes.
You talked to Mr. Pernicano over the phone just now?
Yes.
Do you understand what's going on now?
No. No. I had 4 strokes and they wiped me out, so it's hard to understand what's going on.
All right. Do you have Mr. Pernicano's number? Phone number?
No.
Mr. Pernicano?
I called and I've spoken with Mr. Livingston by phone 2 times. I will gladly call him again following the proceedings today.
Why don't you give him his number now?
That's absolutely fine, of course. I'm ready whenever anyone is to take it down.
Go ahead.
313-618-5914. I guess
hold on a second. That's Attorney Joseph Pernicano. Okay, Mr. Levings.
Yes, yes, sir.
This Officer Thomas is gonna give you this attorney's phone number. You're gonna have a conversation with him sometime before you come back to court again, okay?
Yes, sir.
And he will know how to proceed, okay?
Yes.
All right, that's all you need to do is you need to let, work with your attorney. He's already got some kind of information right now about you that's probably pertinent to what's going on. But he needs to talk to you some more. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have the phone number there?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right.
618-5914.
What's a good date for you, Mr. Pernicano? I have a pre-trial date of April the 4th. I mean, strike that, April the 2nd.
That works for me, Judge.
All right. Mr. Livingston.
Yes.
I need you back on April the 7th, pre-trial. Your lawyer is gonna call you.
Okay.
And it probably will be from that number there. And, you may have to meet with him in person. I don't know, because, well, you'll know how to proceed, Mr. Pernicano.
Yes,
but
Judge.
the next court date is gonna be April the 2nd. You don't have to come down here if you want to zoom in. But if you feel more comfortable coming into court, then you can do so, okay?
I'll be here.
You'll be here. Very well. If it's nothing further, April the 2nd, 8:30 is your next court date. Make sure you talk to your lawyer, all right?
Okay.
All right. Have a great
Thank you
day.
very
If
much,
it's nothing
Judge.
further,
Thank you,
You're free to leave.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Give him paperwork. Give him paperwork, Officer Thomas.
Okay, just wait on the paperwork.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
just want to make a note. For the
Okay.
record.
Thank you.
Hold on. You got, your volume is not good for me, Mr. Hill.
Can you hear me better now?
There we go.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure, Alex Hill on behalf of the city, P76961. I sent you a direct message, Attorney Pernicano. I want to make sure you received my email. So if you can just shoot me a quick email, I will get the discovery over to you as well as the offer, so we could be ready to go on the 4th or the 2nd.
Thank you very much, Attorney Hill.
Okay, I'll look for your email. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, there we go. That'll conclude that. Mr. Pernicano, very good to see you. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Same to you.
We're ready on Little John, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Littlejohn. Mr. Littlejohn, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. What do you want to do with this case, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with Attorney Hill regarding this matter. He is agreeable to allowing Mr. Littlejohn to admit to the civil infraction of blockading.
For the detective equipment, I guess,
Yes, Your Honor.
and dismiss everything else?
Yes, Your Honor. And that dismissal is because some of the officers did not appear, Your Honor.
Why don't you just pay this blocking defective equipment $184 and we'll call it a day.
Did my client have time to pay that, Your Honor?
$184. How much time does he need?
He did indicate that he would need some time to pay it. How much time do you need, Mr. Littlejohn?
I'm sorry, what was the amount, sir?
184.
Right now, I'm actually in the process of training for a new job, so I would assume after the training over, the first paycheck. hold on 1 second. I'm looking at the calendar. I would assume my first paycheck after training would be on the 5th of March.
Well, let's not assume.
Oh yeah, my first paycheck will be on March 5th. We're paid every other Tuesday, and my training is not over with until the 19th.
Is that what you, this is gonna be March the 8th is gonna be good enough?
March 5th. Well, you can give me March 8th. That'll be fine, sir. Yes, sir.
Very well. All right, stipulate to the base of what, well, it's already in there. We don't have to do anything. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the matter of SP 1285953, counts 1 and counts 2 per plea, and stipulate the probable cause for SP 1978590, counts 1 and counts 2, and SX 36254581. In the office.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, those are going to be dismissed. As all of the 184 is already in there. Just pay it by March the 8th. Pay it with any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Best way I can tell you to pay it, or you can upload that app to your phone. All right.
Yes, sir.
Told you, yeah.
That was Judge Dancy's court. They need the number to straight outreach court.
Yeah, they
need
see. Ready?
I'm free to go, Your Honor.
You're all set. Have a good day. Good luck on that job.
You have a great day as well. Thank you for the wishes.
All right. 313-522-4498.
4498.
Is that Charles Conrad Greer up there? Charles iPhone? That's not Charles Conrad Greer? All right. All right. Let's move on. Leon. Leon, Darkita, we have to get her back so she can get back to sleep.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Leon. We got to hurry up and get you so you can get back to sleep.
Yeah, I'm in Vegas. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Well, you probably really need to sleep then. City of Detroit versus Darkita Ebony Leon. Case numbers SP 1429293, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1442807, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1442861, SP 144908661, SP 1449092, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr.
Cherika Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Darkita Leon.
Well, I'll tell you what, I hope she didn't drive. I guess you don't need a driver's license to get to Las Vegas on a plane. But we got a lot of stuff going on here, man. I hope you don't maybe save some of that money just in case if these cases don't come out in your favor, or you can hit it big out there and take care of all of it in one swoop. But at this point, you're innocent until proven guilty. I do see that she paid the civil and the no proof of insurance. Do you have a valid license now? Oh, runner license, please. All right, I'm going to see. That might not be worth the plastic it's printed on, Miss Leon, so I'm going to check it out with the Secretary of State, all right?
Yes.
Staying in one of those high-dollar hotels, too. Life's good.
I worked hard for it.
I'm not mad at you. All right. License is valid. Congratulations on that. What are we gonna do with these cases? You have valid registration and insurance?
I have the insurance. I didn't bring the registration, but I don't know if you can look it up with my license plate.
No, I can't. Did you have the insurance copy there?
Yes. Can you see it?
Oh. You have to push it closer. It's not, maybe you can send that to me, email.
Can you see it now?
Not very good, it's blurry.
Okay, okay.
I'll put my email address in the chat. Maybe you can send that to me.
Yeah, I asked you for it again earlier because it disappeared when I got disconnected.
Well, I put it in there again when you asked me. Let me send it again.
And I just lost the document.
See it?
No.
All right, it's in there again. I'm gonna pass the matter until you give me that insurance, and then we'll discuss resolution. Maybe Ms. Harris, she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Did she pay the, and I know Mr. Hill is here. Could she possibly pay the defective brake lights and expired plates? She does have a valid license. She has insurance, and it sounds like she has registration, just not able to show it today.
And my plate's not expired no more.
I know, but I was just trying to resolve it without you having any misdemeanors.
Okay.
Well, it sounds like before she went and got that elaborate trip to Vegas, she ponied up the money and got her stuff together. I'll let you figure that out, Ms. Harris, with Mr. Hill once we get the license. All right. I mean, once we get the insurance copy. Let's pass the matter momentarily, unless that's already come through.
Okay, I see it.
No, not yet. All right, let's pass the matter. We'll wait till we get that. Let's go down to land fair. Is that? Let's see, who we have Rella Land Fair.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Oh, you're on the phone?
I'm on both. I couldn't hear you guys, and everything that they was telling me to do, I still couldn't hear you. So I called you, but I'm on the screen as well. I'm visual right here. And then I can just hear out of my phone. Can you hear me okay?
I can. I just need to see you. Okay, I see you.
I'm right here at the top.
I see. All right. City of Detroit versus Rella Land Fair, case numbers V132511923, V132522023, V132522223, V132522323. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Landfair.
Rella Capri Land Fair.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Landfair, you have some tickets about dog license, vaccination, restraint, and I don't know what this OB2 is. Do you have valid vaccination and license?
Yes, Your Honor, and I kind of have concerns about the tickets in general.
Okay, let me
I
stop
tried to
right there. Let me stop you right there. What I'm gonna do is put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, and you can discuss those concerns that you have, okay?
Okay.
All right. Wait on Mr. Berry in the breakout room, and then we'll get, wait on Mr. Berry, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Montez. Mr. Montez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the defendant would like to.
Hold on, Mr. Berry.
What?
You have to let Ms. Cox interpret.
Oh, sorry, forgot. Sorry.
Maybe,
You have to unmute Ms. Cox.
yeah, maybe she's doing something else. I sent her the message. All right. Montrell Lee. Go ahead in the breakout room, Mr. Berry, and speak with Ms. Landfair.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Montrell Lamar Lee. Case number U38523717. Appearance for the record, please. Do we have a lawyer? I guess not.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name. What is?
Where's Mr. Lee? Now we don't have a defendant.
I'm ready on Logan.
Ready on Logan?
I believe so.
All right, let's pass that matter. City of Detroit versus Dorian Keith Logan. No, strike that. Dorian Alexander Logan. Case number SB140988841. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, could you state your name for the record?
Dorian Logan.
Your Honor, I do know that today is the date and time set for trial. I do want to make the court aware of the fact that I believe that I was supposed to be appointed on this case. I have filed a motion regarding this matter, but I never received an actual appointment to the case. But today is the date and time set for trial. I do not believe the complaining witness has appeared. I would move for dismissal.
Okay.
Or defense moves for dismissal.
All right, we'll get you that appointment. I have the file, I have the paperwork here. So Ms. Mathis did her job, as she usually does. I don't know why you didn't get notice of that. Can we make sure she gets notice of that?
I followed up yesterday.
Okay, all right. Is there an officer Torres Lopez. I'm hearing no response. You said you already made the motion, right, Counselor?
I did. Defense move to dismiss.
All right, case dismissed. Make sure Mrs. Harris gets paid. All right. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Mr.
Thank
Logan.
you. I would like to know if that case is dismissed without prejudice.
It's dismissed without prejudice, yes.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor, and thank you, Mrs. Harris. Thank you. Thank both of you.
You're
All right,
welcome.
have a good night. You know what that means, don't you?
Without prejudice,
Yes.
that it can't be brought back up, right?
No,
It can.
that it can be brought back up.
So which one is it that it can't? I thought that was without.
Prejudice. With prejudice.
Is that so? Do
They're pretty much always dismissed without prejudice. So he can refile the case.
Mr. Logan, I'll give you a call this afternoon to explain it in more detail.
okay? Thank you. I appreciate it.
No
You have
problem.
his number, Ms. Harris?
I do.
All right, very good. All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
All right, you too, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Barry is in there. Ms. Landfair, let's continue on to, what's Charles's, what is Charles's iPhone? What is your name, sir?
Charles Lanier, Charles DeQuan Lanier.
Okay, Lanier. All right, let's go with Garrett. Eugene Garrett, is he here? All right, yeah, he's in. All right, let's see. $8593, Mr. Garrett.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Eugene Garrett. Case number SP 1499444, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1499802, SP 1529669, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of defendant Garrett, please state your name for the record.
Eugene Garrett.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He's got a 16 to 20 over. That usually the city wants to. Are you in the state of Michigan, sir?
Yes, sir.
You have a Houston address here. You want me to change the address?
Yes.
What's the address?
290 Hague Street. That's HAGUE in Detroit, Michigan.
48211, right?
I'm sorry, say it again.
Is that 48211?
48202.
202. All right. That's on the north end. 290 Hay.
Yes.
They $0 bond, so not guilty plea in his behalf. I'm gonna give you the opportunity to take a better driver's course. If you choose, that's up to you. I'm gonna put the better driver's course in the chat. I do see your comment, Miss, your notes. Drivers.com on completion. Please send me the certificate. my email address. Okay, let's do that. Now, what do you want to do? Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
I'm working on my license. I do have registration and insurance.
Working on his license. Let's give him a pretrial date for April the 2nd, 2024. He has an absolute right to a trial, but you'll have that right when you come back on pretrial April the 2nd, 2024. If you choose to take that better driver's course, I'll put it in the chat, take a screenshot of that, and then we'll go from there, all right?
Okay.
All right, that's up to you whether you want to take that or not. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Come back on April the 2nd, and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, so bring back the registration and insurance on April 2nd when I come?
Bring it back on it, and with a valid driver's license, the offer will get better, and it'll make it even better with that valid, with that class.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, you do the same.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Leon. Miss Leon, I've got the, thank you. Miss Leon, I've got the insurance. I'm gonna take it that if you have insurance, you have necessarily, but I don't think that you have registration.
Yeah.
What's gonna go on with as far as the offer? Did you ever work something out on her behalf, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, Mr. Hill indicated that he was okay with the suggestion that I made that she could admit responsibility to the defective equipment and the expired plates. And that would get rid of everything else.
Why don't we do defective equipment and blocking traffic?
Which one is, I mean, I hate to ask, but which one is cheaper?
Yeah, you already know what the expired plate is, but it's only $30 more. And she indicated already that she has the plate, but
at that time, it may have been expired. So we would be okay with expired plates and defective equipment to save her that $30.
she's gonna hit big in Las Vegas. So she's gonna be
she might be there to see Usher. I don't know.
Are you married? Are you married, Miss Leon?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I said I don't gamble. I'm not hitting nothing.
Are you married?
Am I married?
Yes.
No, I'm single parent.
Okay, so she's gonna find the man of her dreams, and he's gonna be super rich. That $30 is not gonna mean anything. And then she's saying in high dollar, she's got all the food, first class out to Vegas, staying in the best suite in town. $30 is not anything. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
Well, 6. I'll find your client responsible for the expired plate. $145. Dismiss the no proof of insurance for providing valid documentation. Dismiss the license for providing valid documentation. Dismiss the other expired plate. Registration her responsible for the defective equipment. $120. Both 0-point offenses, not abstract to the Secretary of State, not carry anything but a fine. Close out upon payment, stipulate the cause for the dismissal of that, of those matters. We have a warrant B. When can you pay it, ma'am? 145, 120.
145. You
And
said 145 and 120.
Yes.
Probably by next month, the middle of next month.
So I'll give you 30 days, 3/8/2024, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, enjoy your rest of your stay, ma'am. Have a very good day. Safe travels home, all right?
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You as well. All right. Let's go. Are we ready on Montez? Mr. Berry? We lost Mr. Berry. All right, let's continue on down to Charles. Charles's iPhone.
Mr. Berry's in the breakout room in room 1 with the officers.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Charles. What's your last name again, please?
Lanier.
Lanier. Charles DeQuan Lanier. I think you've been here before as well. City of Detroit versus Charles Juan Lanier, case number SP 1001187. Counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1222789-1, SP 1223574, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 132588181, SP 1522320, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1522339-1, SP 1542796, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Charles Juan Lanier, SX 4224808, counts 1 and counts 2, 227-49667, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherrick Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Charles DeQuan Lanier.
I haven't been here before, sir.
No.
Never?
No, not for civil tickets.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor. Ms. Harris?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Purposes of arraignment.
My client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Owes a lot of tickets that he already pled guilty to that he never paid. I don't know what he plans on doing with those tickets. I'm gonna recall the warrants and enter a not guilty plea on his behalf and give him a $0 bond. I'm gonna set aside the civil infractions. They happened during the pandemic. I'll set those aside, give them an opportunity. That's 207-150-181. What do you want to do, sir?
I'm actually gonna, I'm trying to get my license back, but with the tickets I just got, the vehicle, when I purchased the vehicle, the title was bad, so I wasn't able to get the title switched over until I had to find the person that was actually on the title. So it took me some time to find the person, and when I actually just found the person, the car just went out. So I don't even have it.
So he puts the cart before the horse. You go buy yourself a nice shiny new car and don't even have a driver's license, right?
Yes, I did.
All right. I'm gonna allow him to pay his reinstatement fees up front if he chooses to. That's X422488082.
Suspicion on his part.
Surprisingly, that seems like the only reinstatement fee that he would have to pay. I'm gonna set aside the defaults so that you come down to the courthouse on that case number SX422488082 and bring $45. We'll just take all this stuff straight to trial on June the 7th, 2024 at 9 a.m. You come down to the courthouse, you're gonna have to come to the window to pay that reinstatement fee up front, $45, no insurance proof. Then you wait 48 to 72 hours to approach the Secretary of State. If you don't have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, you can potentially get a license, but if you do, you're gonna have to probably take care of those as well. Next court date is gonna be June 7th, 2024 at 9 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave. Have a very good day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Let's see the officers that are in the room now. Let's get them out of here. If there's a Jessica Gladden here, is there a Jessica Gladden? Is there a Chris Lee? And then we have Shamara Owens, so she's here. She's just not.
There is an offer on Miss Owens.
She's not connected to audio though. So let's go, Mr. Berry, are you ready? I don't know where Mr. Berry is. All right. Logan is gone. That gets me to iPhone 4, the young lady. I believe. iPhone 4. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Gladys Garvin.
Gladys Garvin.
Yes.
Can you put up that sign for the people that aren't connected to audio? Whoa. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Gladys Maria Garvin. Case number SP106-68751, SP1188436. Strike that. SP1188436 counts 1 and counts 2. SP1188474 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 130990 counts.
Your Honor, can you repeat that last one? Thank you.
Okay, SP 130991 counts 1 and counts 2, SP 133065661, SP 1374699 counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1473880 counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1493151, SP 1498939 counts 1, 2, and 3. 18-331-2871, State of Michigan versus Gladys Maria Garvin. Case number SX 4314316, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Garvin. Please state your name for the
Gladys Garvin.
for purposes of arraignment. My client stands me.
All right, you know that old saying, never judge a book by its cover?
Yes, sir.
Know that, Ms. Harris?
I've heard that one.
You heard that one? All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Offer her the same opportunity. You know, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Looks like 3 reinstatement fees, and you could potentially get a license. I can allow you to pay those reinstatement fees up front. One 30999101. One 49899392. That'll leave the cases open. At least during the pendency of the cases, you'll have an opportunity to potentially get a driver's license. Want to do that, ma'am?
Yes.
Let's set a trial date for June the 7th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right. So what you do is you have to come down to the window. It looks like $135. You have 3 no insurance proofs that you could pay the $45 reinstatement fee up front. I'm allowing you that opportunity to do that. You wait 48 to 72 hours from the time you pay those reinstatement fees, and then approach the Secretary of State for a driver's license.
Okay.
If you don't have any questions, ma'am, have a very good day. I'll see you back on June the 7th of 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay, thank you.
Great day, ma'am.
You too. Bye-bye.
Let's go back on the record with Roberto Carlo Montes. Mr. Montes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Señor Montes, llamaron a su caso, le preguntaron al abogado que cómo querían continuar. Prenda su micrófono y su pantalla, por favor.
Your Honor, Mr. Montes would like to be allowed to do community service.
Señor, su honoría, el señor Ferrer quiere que le permitan que trabaje en servicio a la comunidad.
All right, let's have him come back for a pre-trial date on March the 6th. That's our community court date, sir. That's why you're here with me. I usually only handle the last name G, L, or O, but you had to get your ticket out of the 4th precinct in order to be sent to me with the last name of them.
Ok, señor Montes, el hecho de que usted está aquí es porque tenían que transferírmelo a mí para que yo lo pudiera mandar a la Corte de Servicio a la Comunidad porque usted venía del cuarto precinto. Entonces, la fecha para que regrese, por favor apúntelo, es el 6 de marzo, a lo que se llama Corte de la Comunidad.
Okay.
All right, come back on March the 6th and we'll have an interpreter on that date. All right, sir?
Si usted, por favor, regrese el 6 de marzo, tendrán un intérprete ese día. What time, Your Honor?
Okay. A este mismo número de Zoom.
So is it the same Zoom
Hello.
number?
Sí. 8:30.
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Entonces, si no hay más nada, buena suerte a usted, señor.
No, muchísimas gracias, muy amable y ante todo unas disculpas por lo ocasionado y bueno, a manejar con más cautela y darle muchísimas gracias al juez por comprenderlo.
Thank you to the judge for understanding. You've been very kind, and I will be more cautious and do the right thing. Thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir.
Okay. Tenga buen día.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you, Mr.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
All right.
Always a joy.
Thank you, Mr. Berry.
Land-
Bye-bye.
Are we ready on land fair?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go and bring this land fair back in. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Landfair. Ms. Landfair, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Hill, and based upon Ms. Landfair's activities, which resulted in license and vaccination of her animals, the prosecution is willing to dismiss these matters.
All right, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss. Now, if the allegation of the dog restraint is true, you have to make sure that dog stays restrained.
Where is she?
Ms. Landfair, you hear me?
I can't hear you, but I don't know what happened to the video. It's not.
I didn't bring you back in on the video.
Oh, okay. Okay, yes, I can hear you.
So you understand that the city's willing to dismiss, I guess you have the vaccination and stuff, but according this dog restraint ticket, you're gonna have to keep the dog restrained if that allegation is true, all right?
Your Honor, the day that I received the tickets, the dog that was restrained is not even restrained, so that's not even applicable. That's not even it's not a thing anymore.
I know that, but what I'm saying is, I didn't say it was true. I said if it is true, you're gonna have to keep these dogs restrained, okay?
Yes.
So whether it's true or not, you have to keep them restrained anyway. And I want to make that clear to you. The person just got basically almost his life taken away for that the other day. So this is very important. I'm gonna dismiss the case because per the city attorney, I guess they're satisfied that you came into compliance, all right?
Thank you.
Have a great day, man. You can hang that video up too.
Okay.
Torres Lopez, Officer Lopez.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the case was dismissed.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
All right, that gets me down to iPhone 29. Asking you to unmute yourself and state your name, please. I see your message, Mr. Odefa.
Yes.
iPhone 29. What's your name, please? iPhone 29?
No, this is not iPhone 20. This is just iPhone.
Yeah, I know, but I see yours. I'm talking to iPhone 29 if they're gonna respond. If not, you were next anyway. iPhone 29. Ask you to unmute yourself. What's your name, please?
Erica Revolver.
Say that again.
Erica Revolver.
Orissa. Erica.
Yes.
Okay. Officer Barry was here.
Okay.
Haywood. The Barry Haywood is here. Miss or Mr. Barry or Miss Harris, can you get an offer if you don't have one already for Grimaldo? Eric Grimaldo, correct?
Yes, correct.
It's just a license, not, that's a allowing case. So see if Mr. Barry has spoken with Mr. Bill. This is the city of Detroit versus, sit tight, Mr. Grimaldo. He's gonna get your case in 1 second, all right?
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus the Bill Najabi Adefo, case number SP 1447581, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Mr. Nabil Odefa. I'm speaking. Can anyone hear me or no?
Yeah, I can hear you. Turn your camera on, please. State your name for the record, please.
Mr. Nabil Odefa.
Put a better shirt on, sir.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, or is that arraignment on the bench warrant? One of the two. Not set for nothing.
Yes, Sean, I'm not finding him on the docket.
Well, appearance for the record, please. It's supposed to be on the 20th of February. Arraignment on the bench warrant for Mr. Is that Odefa?
Yeah.
Miss Harris stepped away for a moment. She chatted me.
Yeah, for some reason they told me to attend today, this Thursday at 8:30 a.m.
All right, well, do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance, sir?
Yes, I do.
Run his driver's license, please. I will pass the matter until we get an attorney here, all right? Let's see valid registration and insurance.
For that vehicle?
Do you have it for that vehicle?
No, that vehicle's on a dealer plate. That was a dealer car. When I had my court day on The offense day was, I think it was on 5/23. I think I did it with Judge. I forgot his name.
Get permission to leave the state.
Did you have a vehicle in your name, sir?
No, the vehicle's not under my name. It was just I was driving the vehicle which
Have a
was
vehicle
under.
under your name.
What was that?
Do you have a vehicle in your name?
Yes, I do.
Do you have valid insurance and registration on that vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Let's see what you have, please.
Your Honor, because I can't locate him on today's docket, I just need the spelling of his name.
Okay, that would be,
Can I share the screen or no?
I'll just hold it up. Give me the spelling of your, correct spelling of your name, please.
Nabil.
B as in boy or V as in Victor?
B as in boy.
Uh-huh. All of it, I'm sorry.
It's on my phone. If I can just like share the screen for like 2
It
seconds.
doesn't matter because your license isn't valid anyway. We'll wait on a lawyer to come back.
Sir, can you spell your last name?
Oh, sorry about that. O is in Oscar, D is in David, E is in Edward, F is in Frank, A is in Alpha.
Thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter momentarily till we get a lawyer back. Officer Jackson.
How you doing, sir?
Very well. How about yourself?
I'm good, thank you.
So I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Anybody that's here for Chris Lee, they can leave because Chris Lee never showed.
Okay, yeah, I was in the breakout room, one at first.
Yeah, I know. Tell the officers that were here to come on out, if you would, please.
Okay.
Thank you. All of them.
So Chris Lee gonna be KPS?
Yeah, Officer C. Jackson, I'm gonna mark you down as a peer. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you and be safe.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
As well, Officer Harris, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm gonna mark you down as a peer. Lee, in the peer, you have a very good day and be safe.
You too.
Okay, also Corporal McCree, I'm gonna mark him down as a peer. And I am going to warn you, Corporal Hayward.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your defendant is here. That's it for Mr. Lee. Failure to appear, $0 bond bench warrant. Who else do we have? Lamb. Good morning to you. Phyllis Lambert.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning to you, sir. who are we ready on?
I'm having trouble finding Mr. Hill, Your Honor.
There is an offer on Miss Owens' matter.
All right. Detroit versus Shamara Owens, case number 237-548-421. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Miss Owens, please state your name for the record.
Okay. Owens, state your name for the record, please. And good morning to you.
Miss Owens, unmute.
Can you hear me?
Morning, Ms. Owens. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shamara Owens.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's get, I thought we asked for.
The offer as conveyed to me is dismissed with valid license, otherwise 3-month delayed sentence on the allowing.
Officer Nicholas, can you, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning. Good morning. NPO Douglas Nichols, Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you, NPO Nichols. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Owens?
Yes, I do.
Run her driver's license, please.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
I wrote her for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
I know, apparently, apparently, the city attorney and the Ms. Harris have worked out a deal that if she has a valid license, they'd be willing to dismiss. I don't know if you spoke about that or not.
Yes, sir.
But she has a valid license and it's completely unblemished. I don't really see that too often.
Well, yeah, it's good with being dismissed. I had no problem with that.
All right, all right. So anyway, Ms. Owens, you were written for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And, you know, the city can give you, the police can write you a ticket if you let someone drive your vehicle knowing that you didn't have, knowing that they didn't have a valid driver's license. So I don't know what happened on this date, but keep that in mind, all right? Dismiss, yes, dismiss the case, all right? Keep that driving record looking clean. I told you, I don't see it that often.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, all right? All right. NPO Nichols, good to see you too.
You too.
Have a very good day. You be safe out there.
Sorry about your loss, Judge.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
All right, you be good, be safe.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit. All right. Well, City of Detroit versus, what about Miss Ronaldo? What we gonna do with this same charge allowing? City of Detroit versus Erica Grimaldo, case number SP 145-97331. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grimaldo.
Erica Grimaldo.
Corporal Hayward, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Corporal Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police.
Very good. What's going to be the resolution for this? If there's an offer, it's as charged 240, dismiss upon payment. What did you work out with the city?
Dismissal, Your Honor.
Just the case. Everybody's getting a nice little pass today, but the same thing applies to you, Ms. Grimaldo. I don't know what happened on that day, but if you do allow somebody to drive your vehicle and knowing that person doesn't have any driver's license, then it's a 93-day misdemeanor punishable by 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. Usually is a 240 fine here, what I would sentence you to, but keep that in mind, all right?
All right.
If there's nothing further, you can go back to work and have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. And Corporal Hayward, have a very good day as well, and you be safe out there.
Will do, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, you too. All right, City of Detroit versus Chillis Nathan Lambert, case number SP 101-4070, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 101-41321, SP 1388841, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1388879, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1410947, counts 1, 2, and 3. U66235123. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Lambert, state your full name, Mr. Lambert.
Chillis Nathan Lambert.
Your Honor, for purposes of
Move your hat, please,
arraignment.
All right, go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lambert, it appears that you owe $336 on an old insurance ticket. I see if you pay that, you seem like you would be clear down here to at least get a license. They'll close that case out. $336. I can give you some time to do that. Set a trial date or a pretrial date. I'll set aside the other defaults. Seems like they happened during the pandemic, so I've routinely done that. What do you want to do? You want to speak to Mr. Berry about this, or what do you want to do?
You said 336?
336 on a 2016, no proof of insurance ticket.
Okay. We can, I'll try to pay that.
Pardon me?
I said I'll try to pay that.
All right, you want to try to pay it? We'll set a trial date, give you till well, you don't want to pay it you want to pay it way before June the 7th, because what you want to do is you want to pay it, wait 48 to 72 hours, and then approach the Secretary of State to see if you can get a license.
Okay.
We can set a trial date of June 7th, And that'll give you some time to take care of that. And if you have any tickets in the other jurisdictions, you'll have time to do that as well if you get working now.
Okay. That sounds good.
Want to do that?
Yeah, that sounds good, Judge.
June the 7th, 2024, 9 a.m. You can pay that one no proof of insurance, 336. I'm going to set aside defaults in the other tickets. And you pay that 336, and you should be clear at least at the 36th District Court, all right?
Okay.
All right, come back June 7th, I'm sorry, June 7th at 9 a.m. and we'll get some resolution to the other matters, all right?
Okay.
Hopefully you'll have a license by then, all right?
All right.
All right, have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Odefa, Nabil Najabi Odefa, case number SP 1447581, counts 1, 2, and 3. Can I get an attorney to put their appearance on the record, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant. State your name.
He's already put his name. He has a suspended driver's license. He thought his driver's license was valid. He says he has registration and insurance on at least a vehicle that is in his name. What I can do is, for the purposes, he's not on the docket today because he's supposed to be here on the 20th, but we can arraign him now, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. For arraignment purposes, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Okay, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. At this time, I don't know, you got to figure out what's going on with your license, sir. There's nothing down here that's affecting your license. I recall the warrants, enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I can give you until April the 2nd, or we can set a trial date on all this matter on June the 7th.
No, it's so at the time of the incident that I had this.
I don't want to hear about that. I don't want to, I can't hear that. Now, if you want to speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room, I can allow you to do that.
Please do.
Very well. Join the room, please. Okay, Officer Elliot Glenn.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Leggett never showed.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll mark you down as a peer, and you be safe out there, all right?
Thank you as well, sir.
Thank you. So what? Yeah, just keep on moving.
I'd be still driving. I'd be like this trying to drive the car, right?
Good thing.
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay.
A bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Adolfo. Is that what you want to do, a bench trial date, sir? Just unmute yourself.
Yeah.
That'll give you an opportunity to get your license situation straightened out and come back and bring that valid registration and insurance, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you trying to leave the state?
I was trying to leave the state for business purposes, work business purposes, but I was on probation, so I couldn't leave that, and I was completing my term, and then my traffic tickets came on. They said I can't do that till I figure out these traffic tickets, and then I can get removed off probation. But so he said if you want to leave out of the state, you got to request because you're still waiting on these traffic tickets to be resolved.
And that's a probation in another court, right?
What was that?
That's another court. You're on probation to someone, right?
Yeah.
All right. Are you still trying to leave the state?
Not anymore. That opportunity actually slipped.
See? Now you gotta Keep your stuff in order from this point forward. You miss out on opportunities having these cases. All right?
Of course.
All right, best of luck to you. More opportunities are gonna come your way, but, you know, just, that wasn't one for you. That's all you can chalk it up as.
Okay. Another question. I should receive something in the mail when my trial is, right?
You should, but you have the information now, so don't go off and waiting on the mail. I don't want you to miss this date, all right?
Okay.
You have the Zoom ID, you have the date today, I'm giving it to you now. You should receive something in the mail, but I can't promise you that the mail is going to run like it should. All right?
Yes,
June the
sir.
7th, 2024 at 9 a.m.
June the 7th?
Yes. All right, you're free to leave, sir, if you don't have any further questions.
Thank you.
Have a good day. All right.